Here is a breath technique that you can teach your kids to do, and this is called your balloon breath. So we are going to inhale through the nose, and as you inhale, your belly rises out like a balloon inflating. On your exhales through the mouth, you will deflate the balloon inside your belly. And to help your kids also feel this more, we'll place your hands on your belly, and I suggest that you do this with them as well. So let's exhale everything out, empty the balloon. On your inhale, let the balloon inflate as big as it can. As you exhale, slowly deflate the balloon without letting it fly all around. The belly is still holding your balloon. Inhale, let your balloon rise out again. And exhale, let the balloon come smaller. One more here. Inhale, let your balloon rise out. And exhale, let your balloon slowly deflate. And let your kids also just shake their hands after. Take a breath in. And exhale.